All right, let me show you how to create an iMacro that can automatically sign up to whatever Web 2.0 style property you want. This one in particular is a WordPress multi-user site. What they are is a version of a WordPress which allows other people to sponge off of your account, and they can sign up their own blog. Why people do this, I don't know. Normally, I guess colleges, universities use this so other people can get the blog in. But a lot of personal people do this, and it generally becomes overrun with spam unless you're paying attention to what's happening. Generally, most of these sites go down after a short while, so any site, any link you would have built on here will go down with it. But these are just an example here of how to do this. So I'm going to show you how to spam a WordPress multi-user site. There's one here. Basically the same deal. I've got a data source file, CSV file from here, iMacro/data sources. And the file looks like this. Basically, you're going to get a list of URLs here. And by doing it this way, you can actually change the name, change the login information every time you sign up somewhere. And a lot of people just say, well, yeah, I don't have to bother with that. I'll just do the same one. Well, you really shouldn't. Just because of this. Hey, look, if you type in Angela8654, you can find all of her backlinks. Angela, this woman makes a packet of backlinks that she sends out. She does quite well with it, I guess. And the world basically knows of this at this point. And this is how to find all of her links. And thus, if you had a similar profile that you used all the time, someone can then just take that and find all what you've done and discover all of your niches and whatever things you're doing. All right. So let's do this here. Let's record a macro first, and then I'm going to swap out some of this information so I can access the CSV file. All right. I'm just typing in junk. All right. Blog title. Okay, from this point, I would have activated the account, but I'm not, obviously. And there it is. Now, we want to add sort of the default batch of code, which is here. Ignore errors. I'm telling it, look at my CSV file. There's 5 columns. I'm going to start at line 2, ignoring the header, and I'm going to loop it. Right. And you notice my URL is here on the first column. So this is sort of the whole point of this lesson here, is I can then tell it, go to whatever URL I have in the first column. And then from there, the username was in 2. Email was column 4. Blog title 5. Okay. Do this. Bang. There's 5. I want to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times. So it starts at 1, add 6, 7 loops, times through. Okay. And hopefully I got this right. All right, there you go. Bang. First one. Come on. There's 2. Come on, Internet. You can do it. All right. 3, 4. And bang, finished. All right. Now I have to be. I kind of cherry picked this. It's normally not this easy. If there's a capture in there, you'll have to put pauses. Some of these have multiple confirmations on the passwords and all that stuff, and some of them have subtly different input boxes. But when it works, it looks like that. Normally, you're gonna have to do a lot more finessing to get it to work, and that's why I'm going to show you the other method that I like to use.